building as well. Of course, same as everything, right? Nuts and bolts and pieces all the way down as everything gets redone. Guys keeping track of everything that goes into it. Pretty cool with this one. It's got the I forget what that roof is called now. Tropical roof is what that is called. So it's got the vents up underneath there, get your airflow, and then of course it keeps everything dry and clean. But another good example here of the quality and the level the guys go into, making sure that we breathe life into these vehicles